Welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, let us have a look at some of the Scrum tools. It is important to note that Scrum as a framework is not strict to any specific tool. What matters is what works. For a particular team, some tool will work. For another team, there will be some another tool that will work. Trick is to understand what exactly works for you and your Scrum teams and use that tool accordingly. While there are many tools in the market, let us have a quick look at some of these tools. First, Atlassian JIRA. It has been in the market since a while. There is a JIRA Agile plugin which will help you to manage your Scrum projects. In JIRA Agile plugin, there is a separate mode for getting the reports. Then there is a good feature of managing the backlog. Next one, VersionOne. When large organizations adopt Scrum, it is important that all of their teams communicate with each other efficiently. To do that, VersionOne provides an interface where a group of Scrum teams can communicate with each other to get the work done. In such scenario, VersionOne proves very helpful. Last but not the least is Microsoft Team Foundation Server. Microsoft Team Foundation Server is Microsoft offering to the Agile Scrum software development world. This is a very efficient tool as it provides all sort of things related to Scrum framework. For example, may it be writing a requirement in the form of user story to creating a report from the work that is being done. All of that is available in Microsoft TFS. With the advent of Git repository recently, the Scrum teams who are using the TFS can collaborate on their code using TFS. There are good communication methods available in TFS itself so that the Scrum team doesn't have to use any other tool for just the communication. The burn down chart that is prepared by TFS is also very nice and elaborate. That is all from Scrum Tools. Thank you so much for watching.